History's Hiccups. Part 29. Discover the fierce tale of Freydís Eiríksdóttir, a Viking warrior woman of legend. Daughter of Eric the Red and half-sister to Leif Erikson, Freydís played a crucial role in Norse explorations of North America. In a daring encounter, recorded in the Icelandic sagas, Freydís displayed astonishing bravery. During an attack by indigenous people, and her fellow Norsemen retreated, pregnant Freydís turned the tide. She seized a fallen warrior's sword and, with a fearsome display of courage, charged at the attackers, driving them away and saving her compatriots. This incredible act of valor highlights the often overlooked role of women in Viking society and their contribution to Norse exploration.